It's 5:30 in the morning, 5:20 I think, and I just saw a shooting star. It's very bright. That's not a rocket, that's a shooting star. It just came out of nowhere and drops on the earth with different colors: blue, red, and orange. Lovely. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ganda ng setup ng camera ko. Andun pala sa taas ng ulo ko yung moon. It's now the 5th day of January 2026 in the year of our Lord. And yet here we are again, jigging. Fishing. No bites yet. After 10 minutes, sana paparating na yung bite. Come on, fishy. Swallow my bait, fishy, swallow my bait. Swallow that jig. To see the face of God is my heart's desire, to gaze upon the Lord.